15 easy way to lose weight naturally. There is a lot of bad weight loss information on the internet. Much of what is recommended is questionable at best and not based on any actual science. However, there are several natural methods that have been actually proven to work. Here are 15 easy way to lose weight naturally. Number 1. Add protein to your weight. When it comes to weight loss, protein is the king of nutrients. Your body burns calories when digesting and metabolizing the protein you eat. So, a high protein diet can boost metabolism by up to 80 to 100 calories per day. A high protein diet can also make you feel more full and reduce your appetite. In fact, some studies showed that people eat over 400 fewer calories per day on a high protein diet. Even something as simple as eating a high protein breakfast like eggs can have a powerful effect. Number 2. Eat whole, single ingredient foods. One of the best things you can do to become healthier is to base your diet on whole, single ingredient foods. By doing this, you eliminate the vast majority of added sugar, added fat, and processed food. Most whole foods are naturally very filling, making it a lot easier to keep within healthy calories limits. Furthermore, eating whole foods also provides your body with the many essential nutrients that it needs to function properly. Weight loss often follows as natural side effects of eating whole foods. Number 3. Avoid processed foods. Processed foods are naturally high in added sugar, added fats, and calories. What's more, processed foods are engineered to make sure you eat as soon as to make sure you eat as much as possible. They are much more likely to cause addictive like eating than unprocessed foods. Number 4. Stock up on healthy foods and snacks. Studies have shown that the food you keep at home greatly affect weight and eating behavior. By always having healthier food available, you reduce the chance of you or other family members eating unhealthy. There are also many healthy and natural snacks that are easy to prepare and take with you to on the go. These include yogurt, whole fruit, nuts, carrots, and hard-boiled eggs. Number 5. Limit your intake of added sugar. Eating a lot of added sugar is linked with some of the world's leading diseases, including heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and cancer. On average, Americans eat about 15 teaspoons of added sugar each day. This amount is usually hidden in various processed foods, so you may be consuming a lot of sugar without even realizing it. Since sugar goes by many names in ingredients list, it can be very difficult to figure out how much sugar a product actually contains. Minimizing your intake of added sugar is a great way to improve your diet. Number 6. Drink water. There is actually truth to the claim that drinking water can help with weight loss of water. Drinking 0.5 liters of water may increase the calories you burn by 24 to 30% of an hour. Afterward, drinking water before meals may also lead to reduced calories intake, especially for middle-aged and older people. Water is particularly good for weight loss when it replaces other beverages that are high in calories and sugar. Number 7. Drink coffee. Fortunately, people are realizing that coffee is a healthy beverage that is loaded with antioxidants. Fortunately, people are realizing that coffee is a healthy beverage that is loaded with antioxidants and other beneficial compounds. Coffee drinking may support weight loss by increasing energy levels and the amount of calories you burn. Caffeinated coffee may boost your metabolism by 3 to 11%, reduce your risk of by developing type 2 diabetes by a whopping 23 to 50%. Furthermore, black coffee is very weight loss friendly since it can make you feel full but contains almost no calories. Number 8. Supplement with glucomannan. Glucomannan is one of the several weight loss pills that have been proven to work. This water-soluble, naturally dietary fiber comes from the roots of the konjac plant, also known as the elephant yam. Its exceptional ability to absorb water is believed to be what makes it so effective for weight loss. One capsule is able to turn an entire glass of water into gel. Number 9. Avoid liquid calories. Liquid calories come from beverages like sugary soft drinks, fruit, juices, chocolate milk, and energy drinks. These drinks are bad for health in several ways, including an increased risk of obesity. One study showed a drastic 60% increase in the risk of obesity among children for each daily serving of sugar-sweetened beverages. It's also important to note that your brain doesn't register liquid calories the same way it does solid calories, so you end end up adding these calories on top of every else that you eat. Number 10. Limit your intake of refined carbs. Refined carbs are carbs that had been most of their beneficial nutrients and fiber removed. The refining process leaves nothing but easily digested carbs, which can increase the risk of overeating and disease. The main dietary sources of refined carbs are white flour, white bread, white rices, sodas, pastries, snacks, sweets, pasta, breakfast cereals, and added sugar. For 11. Fast intermittently. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern cycles that between periods of fasting and eating. There are few different ways to do intermittent fasting, including the 5:2 diet and the 16:8 method and the eat-stop-eat method. Generally, these methods make you eat fewer calories overall without having to consciously restrict calories during the eating period. This should lead to weight loss as well as numerous other health benefits. Number 5. Drink green tea. Green tea is a natural beverage that is loaded with antioxidants. Drinking tea is linked with many benefits such as increased fat burning and weight loss. Green tea may increase energy expenditure by 4% and increase selective fat burning by up to 17%, especially harmful belly fat. Matcha green tea is a variety of powered green tea that may have even more powerful health benefits than regular green tea. Shop for a green tea and matcha green tea online. Number 3. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are extremely healthy, weight loss friendly foods. In addition to being high in water, nutrients and fiber, they usually have a very low energy density. This makes it possible to eat large servings without consuming too many calories. Numerous studies have shown that the people who eat more fruits and vegetables tend to weight loss. Number 4. Count calories once in a while. Being aware of what you are eating is very helpful when trying to lose weight. There are several effective ways to do this, including counting calories, keeping a food diary, or taking picture of what you eat using an app or another electronic tool may be even more beneficial than writing in a food diary. Number 15. Use smaller plates. Some studies have shown that using smaller plates helps you eat less because it changes how you see portion sizes. People seems to fill their plates the same regardless of plate size, so they end up with putting more food on large plates than smaller ones. Using smaller plates reduce how much food you eat, giving you the perception of having eaten more. Chewing more slowly may help you eat fewer calories and increase the production of hormones that are linked to the weight loss. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.